Controlling access into your environment is a fundamental part of running workloads in the cloud, and Rackspace OpenStack Flex gives you options to do exactly that through security groups. So let's go ahead and create a new security group. From here, we'll click Networks, Security Groups, and create a security group. We'll assign a new name to the security group that we want to use and any description that you want to allow others that come after you to understand what the security group is used for. Once the security group is online, you can then create custom rules to allow ingress or egress into the environment as you see fit. In my case, I'm allowing all ingress protocols as well as ICMP into my security group. Now that my security group is online, I can then begin using that within my instances that I have created. This allows me to control the access flow in my workloads across different VMs using different security group types.